You search for how to buy shares of Telenor. Telenor is a Norwegian telecom operator listed on Euronext with the ticker TEL.OL, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker TEL.OL to find Telenor shares. Select the result that matches Telenor on Euronext to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Make sure the page shows Euronext and the ticker Telenor before proceeding. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio and show your holding. For the example link, check the description below.